Here is the last part of the tessellations tutorials. The third type of tessellations is the reflection method. Reflection method is similar to translation, but with a twist. In addition to sliding a cutout piece, you flip it at the same time. The steps are the same as the other methods. Sketching first. This type of tessellation is harder to envision until you actually try it a few times. But be patient, you can do it. Here is my approach to creating this particular bird shape. First, I lightly sketch out the bird body. It helps to visualize the whole picture. If I add a wavy shape to the top, it can look like feathers. So I draw that shape at the opposite side. Slide it to the top and flip. Next, I complete the feather. Cut the extra shape out, slide it across, flip it. Now this piece will serve as a wing. Finally, defining the beak. I would cut the extras out and slide the piece to the right. Then flip. So here is a tail and another wing. Now that we have an idea, it's time to create a tile. To add feathers to the top, draw them at the bottom. Cut the shape out, slide it to the opposite side, flip it, and tape. Defining the feathers, cut, slide, flip, tape. Defining the beak, cut, slide, flip, tape. The tile is done. Use a grid for an accurate placement and alignment of the tiles. Trace the first tessellation. Slide the tile to the right and flip. Make sure the outlines match. Trace it again. Continue flipping and tracing. And now the fun part, adding details and coloring. Now that you're familiar with the various tessellation methods, choose a method you liked to make your own tessellation tile. Have fun with it!